Protesting farmers today took out a tractor rally which is being seen as a show of force a day before farmer leaders and ministers are to meet yet again for the 8th time for talks on the farm laws, which the farmers say puts them in shaky ground on minimum support price. A 135-kilometre long 6-lane arc that partially surrounds the national capital region is where they've been protesting. Lots of tractors there. This is in fact full of tractors driven by farmers, many of them women. They've been camping on the highways in and around Delhi in protest against the new farm laws. The tractor rally has been called by 40 farm unions and has been running on the Western Peripheral Expressway that starts at Ghaziabad and ends in Palwal. The police have asked people to avoid the expressway. In the last meeting between farmers and ministers on the 5th of January, farm leaders have said that the Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar told them to go to the Supreme Court as the centre doesn't intend to withdraw the laws.
Farmers rally from the Singhu border has started. The rally was planned in advance and the farm union leaders had earlier stated on the 5th of January that on 7th the farm union leaders and the farmers from all the 4 protest sites will be holding a tractor rally outside the national capital at the KMP Expressway. Right now we are near the Singhu border. We are moving towards the Tikri border. That was the plan. The farmers who are protesting at the Tikri border are coming here near the Singhu border. When both of these groups will meet, they will hold a sabha. Similarly, the farmers from Ghazipur are moving toward Palwal and the farmers from Rewari are moving toward Palwal as well, and they will hold a sabha there for approximately an hour as well. So first show you what exactly is the situation here like. You can see the volunteers are distributing food, they're distributing water to the trolleys that are moving toward Tikri. I have with me a group of farmers and most of them are women, and we'll speak to them and we'll try to understand what exactly they all have been going through till now. They all are from Haryana and we'll try to understand what exactly their problems have been like. आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम बड़ौदा से हैं।
बड़ौदा से। आप भी हरियाणा से?
हरियाणा से हैं जी।
कितने दिनों से आप लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं?
हमें पूरा परिवार न लेकर आ रहे हैं जी। हमारे बच्चे, सास ससुर, हमारे आदमी सब रह रहे हैं जी। एक भी ना हो गया जी। हम तो हाँ जी।
तो आप लोग 1 महीने से यहीं पर
बैठे हैं जी। बरसात सब कुछ छोड़ के हम तो यहीं पर आ रहे हैं जी। हमारे बड़े छोटे सब यहीं पर।
Right now we are at the KMP Expressway where thousands of farmers from the Singhu and Tikri borders are carrying on with their tractor rally. Similarly, at the same KMP Expressway at the Western Periphery, farmers from Ghazipur and farmers from Rewari are also carrying on with their respective tractor rallies as well. Right now we have with us Rajinder Singh Deepsingwala, the Vice President of Kirti Kisan Union, and we'll speak to him and understand the reason behind this particular march that is being carried on today and what exactly are the plans of the farmers in the near future. The farmers have been talking to the government. Tomorrow there is a very important dialogue between the government and the farmers again. How hopeful are you?
We are not very hopeful because government is consistently stressing upon the amendments. But we are very firm on our demand. We are consistently demanding that government must repeal all 3 laws. We are firm on our decision. When we enter in Delhi, police are already trying to stop us in the Haryana border.
Right.
But we have demolished all these barricades and reached near the Delhi. And now it is very crystal clear from our side. We will definitely enter in the Delhi if the farm laws are not repealed.